dated number 2026-001, Your Honor. Tama po. Ito po yung disallowance ng quarter 1 to 3 of 2023.
Opo, Your Honor. Ito po.
At ito pong notice of disallowance na to, tama po ba na in-issue ito ng Commission on Audit noong March 31, 2026?
Opo, Your Honor.
At in-issue po ito ng Commission on Audit habang ang Committee on Justice ay nagko-conduct ng mini trial against the Vice President, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance. What's the relevance? Not touched upon. The use of the term mini trial. That's one. Number two, not touched upon during direct examination. The rules are more restrictive when it comes to cross-examination of an adverse witness. Exhibit A is the line of question of the defense.
Kindly reform, counsel. I will not sustain the objection. Neither will I overrule it. Just kindly reform, counsel, so that we can proceed.
We will reform, Your Honor. This notice of disallowance was issued by the Commission on Audit while the Committee on Justice is conducting its hearing for impeachment. Correct?
Di ko maalala, Your
Hindi niya
Honor.
Pero na-receive nyo po itong notice of disallowance noong April 8, 2026. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. May signature po ako dito na na-receive ko po April 8, 2026.
So, na-receive nyo po yung notice of disallowance number 2026-001 on April 8, 2026 kahit na-submit nyo na yung liquidation noong 2023 pa lamang. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
At habang this is in the middle of the Committee on Justice hearings, correct?
Di kasi ako nakikinig sa TV at saka sa radio, Your Honor, kung mga about balita-balita, Your Honor. Kaya dili ko makasagot.
Ma'am Gina, kaya po ba paulit-ulit ang sagot nyo kanina? Kasi paulit-ulit lang rin po yung tanong sa inyo.
Objection, that's vague.
I withdraw,
Vague.
Your Honor.
Withdraw.
Vague. Nice try. Vague.
I withdraw the question, Your Honor.
You should.
So withdrawn.
Nice try.
Wala. No further questions.
All
Your
right.
Honor.
A few redirect with the court's permission, Your Honor, please.
With emphasis on a few, counsel.
Yes.
You may proceed, counsel.
Madam Witness, kanina, nung nakarang araw, while yung prosecution that is presenting you as an hostile or as we are accustomed to, hostile witness, sinabi nyo, in several instances, hindi mo masagot yung mga katanungan nangyari 2022 and prior to that. Kasi sabi mo, hindi mo na maalala. You remember having said that, hindi po ba?
Yung mga tanong mo po, Your Honor, na sinabi mo yung
Sa Davao.
sa Davao na 460.
Yes.
Di ko maalala yun, Your
Okay,
Honor.
Hindi mo
Ang
maalala.
amount. Opo.
Pero ma'am, kanina dire-diretso yung defense. Tinatanong ka, nakatanggap ba ng audit observation memorandum? Natanggap ba ng notice of disallowance during your stint sa Davao City? Diretso, sabi mo, wala. Biglang
No
naalala
question,
niyo.
Your Honor.
Wait. I'm testing the
Kindly
credibility
allow
of this.
counsel to finish.
Now, bigla mong naalala, 2019, 2018 to 2022. Alam niyo po ba yung tinatawag nating selective memory, ma'am? Do you know that? Yes or
Objection,
no?
Your Honor.
Oops.
Argumentative.
Your Honor, I'm confronting this witness with a fact that everybody heard. When I was asking questions, sabi niya, conveniently hindi ko maalala. But when propounded with similar line of questioning as to events that happened in Davao City while she was an SDO, she said, yes, I can remember, diretsa yung sagot. That's why I'm asking that question as basis. Alam niyo po ba, anong ibig sabihin
I'll allow
ng selective memory?
If the witness knows,
ang ibig sabihin po kanina, Your Honor, ang amount po na sinabi nyo na yun po ba, yan ba ang halaga ng confidential funds ng Davao City? Yun po, nag-concentrate ako, ang intindi ko, ang pagsabot ko, Your Honor, is yung the amount po. Hindi ko po maalala kung yun ba talaga, Your Honor.
That's your
Okay.
answer, ma'am. Ma'am, let's proceed po. Let's proceed, ma'am.
that's the witness's answer.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. You know, ako, for 2 days, medyo nahihirapan sa mga tanong ko kasi sabi mo, hindi ka nakakaintindi masyado ng Tagalog. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga episodes na yan during the last hearing and this morning? Yes or no? Alala mo?
Ano yun, sir?
Yung mga hindi mo maintindihan, yung mga tanong ko na tinatagalog ko, di ba naalala mo, nasabi mo, hindi ko maintindihan. That's why we had to go through the trouble of trying to interpret, translate into Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Alala po ba yung mga pangyayari yan sa loob ng courtroom? Di po ba?
Yes,
or no?
naalala ko, Your Honor,
Yes,
yung mga
okay.
Tagalog na lalom, na
Lalom.
deeper,
Yeah,
dili kay
deeper.
ko ka sabot, Your
Yes,
Honor.
hindi ko maintindihan yung sabot now. But when it was the defense asking you, rapido,
What's the question, Your
Wait,
Honor?
not yet. Hold your horses.
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor.
Relax. Hindi pa tapos. I'm just laying the premise. Relax. Mabilis.
There's no question, Your Honor.
Wait. Mabilis, Tagalog, all of a sudden, nasasagot mo, walang translation, nasasagot mo ng diretso.
Your Honor,
Explain.
nangutana man ko, nag-ask ko saya, Your Honor, kay dili ko, ang question niya, na mga question niya, Your Honor, nga nagpa-repeat ko, kay dili kayo ko kasabot, dili kayo ko ka-understand, Your Honor.
Alright.
Nagmutana ko kay attorney, nagpa-repeat ko po ng question sa kay attorney kung ano po yon, kay hindi ko talaga na maintindihan or
Yes,
makuha ang ihang pangutana, Your
Your Honor, I
Honor.
will not belabor the point. The records are crystal clear.
Move
I
to
will
strike.
move on. Oh, what? I move on to the next question.
Move to strike, Your Honor. Counsel is testifying.
I mean, Your Honor, that's a
motion-
manifestation. And what
motion
we-
denied. Motion denied, counsel. I mean,
Yeah. You should do your own
let it stay
government
the
if you
record.
may. Okay, now, Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, si Colonel Lachica naman yung may access to security information, kaya siya yung may alam sa confidential activities. Tsaka, naalala mo sinabi mo yan kanina, di po ba?
Oo.
Now,
Opo.
and then, kinonfront kayo ng counsel for the defense, wala naman daw sa joint circular na yung trabaho ng special disbursing officer dapat alam yung mga confidential activities. Yun yung sagot nyo, di po ba?
Nalibog. I'm
Confused
confused.
ka. Ayan, yun na yun, ma'am. Naku-confuse po kayo kung ako yung nagtatanong.
Usabon, repeat,
I'm
Your
just
Honor.
repeating this series of questions that were propounded to you by the defense. Uulitin ko. I will indulge. Ma'am, sinabi nyo kanina, si Colonel Lachica yung nag-i-implement ng confidential activities kasi siya yung may access to security information. Yun, napakaklaro niyan, ma'am, ha?
Opo.
Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
sinabi nyo rin, kinonfirm mo yung observation ng Defense Counsel na on the other hand, yung Special Disbursing Officer naman, wala naman nakasulat dyan na may alam about confidential activities. Naaalala niyo po ba yan? Yung sagot nyo.
Yes, naalala ko.
Okay.
Sagot ko sa kay attorney
Ano yung pangalan ng attorney, ma'am, if you know?
Lyndon.
Ma'am, kailan nyo nakausap si Attorney Lyndon before this
Attorney
testimony?
Lyndon.
Not
Ma'am.
part of the
It is.
cross,
It is.
Your Honor.
It is. Ma'am, kailan nyo last
counsel
nakausap?
may impeach the witness. She has been declared a hostile witness.
Ma'am, look at me, ma'am. Tingin ka sa
Yes,
akin.
sir.
Ma'am, you are under oath.
Opo.
Yes, ma'am. Kailan mo last nakausap si Attorney Lyndon?
Last week. Last week pa.
Last week or last week?
Last week. Kasi last week, umuwi ako ng Davao to visit my husband.
And then, so doon mo nakita sa Attorney Lindon?
No.
Last week.
Last week pa.
Ano
Before I
pag-usapan niyo,
go.
ma'am? We're interested. Ano pag-usapan niyo?
Na ano lang, natanong ko lang sa kanya kung what is the proceedings kung sa Senate hearing.
Mhm. And then, ano sinabi ni Attorney Lindon?
Ganito, tatanungin po kayo, ma'am. Tapos,
Oo.
bla bla bla. Doon
And then,
ka
sinasabi niya ano yung mga tanong itatanong sa'yo, hindi po ba?
wala siyang sinasabi, Your Honor.
Okay, anyways. Now, let's go back.